Енді басталыпты ғой. Міне, все. Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, to the live stream. I'm really happy to see you. And please let me know if you can see me and if you can hear me clearly. And please leave a message on the chat box. Okay, now I also can see myself. Good. So here I see people coming. Okay, Yermek, Sarita, Dimash Kudaibergen Fan Club Sweden, and also Sunil from India, and Rosin, Carmen, Emmy, hello, good. And also I can see Katarina, good. Hello, she's one of my students, which is good. Okay, so if you can hear me well, see me well, then let's start our today's live stream. And yes, please let me know on the chat box where are you from, like from what country are you watching me. Okay, so first, okay, so Amy says, I can see you and hear you very clearly, which is good. Okay, so so I want to welcome you to the launch of my self-study online course, which is called Kazakh Language for Beginners. And now I want to tell you the story how we created this course. Good. So as I said we, because my sister also helped me on creating this course. So, and nowadays I am teaching Kazakh language via Zoom, and a lot of people contacted me to have a lesson, but we couldn't. They couldn't take a lesson because we were in different time zone, and also here. When I posted about this live stream, some of people couldn't watch it because they are in Europe and it's still morning, very early morning time for them. So like that, we couldn't match our schedule. Then I thought, what if I will create an online course for my students so they can learn the Kazakh language wherever they are and whenever they want to. Okay, so let's look at the chat. So from India, Merlina, hello, Mongolia, Sunil from India, and Andrew, Salimetsizbe. So looks like a lot of people are from India are watching. From Australia, Misto. I hope I'm pronouncing your names correctly, and yeah, please let me know if I'm not saying that right. Andrew, and USA, Pakistan. Good. Okay, so my sister and I, we worked together on creating this course for 5 months. We took our sweet time to make this course as perfect as we could make it, because we imagined ourselves like our students, like what if our students, they may have some questions, so we tried to cover all the questions in our course. And we know that on the internet you can barely find the Kazakh course which is well structured and explaining the grammar of Kazakh language and also explained in English. So there is less material in English. And so my course is in English, but teaching the Kazakh language. And we're also aware of the pronunciation that in Google Translation there is no Kazakh sound, so we tried to put as much words as we could on our lessons, and I pronounced them really slowly, like a normal speed, and also clearly. Okay. So as I said, we put a lot of information on our course. Some of our lessons are more than 25 minutes. So even one of them is 27 minutes. So a lot of all of our lessons have different length. Okay, let's look at the chat. If everything is okay, so that sounds good. From Chicago, USA, Susan. Hello, Mirlina from Bolivia, I think. Yeah, Indonesia. Good. Yeah. Жаңғырып тұр даусыңыз дейді. Yeah, my voice is echoing. Actually, I tried to work on that settings, but let's do that. Let's try to work on that. Let's see if I can. I don't know. Okay, no, it's not a. How about this? No, it's also echoing to me. So I'm trying to make it well, but it looks like it's not working. So anyway, let's okay, so let's continue. I would like to ask you here, I'd like to know the reason why would you like to learn the Kazakh language. It's interesting for me, so please leave them on the comments here in the chat box. And now I want to take you to the tour of my course to see what you will get in my course. Okay, so let me do here. Okay, lessons. Okay. Good. You can see the website here. So my website called kazakhlanguage.kz, and so when you get the course, you will be introduction, a welcoming video. Will show you. I will show you how to work with the website. So in the course, you will get the access to 20 video lessons, starting from the alphabet and ending with the practical lessons. Okay, now let's open the first lesson, which is the alphabet. And we know that we have changed our alphabet from Cyrillic into Latin. So in this first video, you can learn two versions of the alphabet. Here, like this. And also, I also want to tell you that our lessons are in Cyrillic because nowadays we still use the Cyrillic, and as long as you know the Cyrillic, to learn the Latin would be very easy. Okay, yeah. Okay, till it will play. Let me. Okay, we are ready. So every letter has example, and also I'm pronouncing them very slowly and clearly. And here, okay, let me just play you here. I don't know if you can.
Z.
Okay.
Zamaran.
I don't know if you can hear that.
Zamaran.
Zamaran. Okay.
I. Eat.
Now I want to show you one. Okay, so if you couldn't hear some of the letters well, if you want to hear them slowly, you can go to settings of the video and also like make it slowly, even slowly, or normal, or you can also play them fast. Okay, now let me go to the chat, just to see if everything is working well. Okay, angry, lonely, I hope that's right, from SA, Malaysia, hello. So Angry Lonely says, I'm fan of Dimash and I'm learning Kazakh from him. Great. Nojaye or Noyaye, I would learn it because I'm adopted from Kazakhstan and want to learn my culture. Great. Sunil, I'm fan of Dimash. Gleibirgen, yeah, from Kazakh movie, and because not many people learn it. From Swedish, I'd like to learn Swedish. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Okay. Continue. Okay. So after alphabet, we will continue with the lesson, which is called greetings. So when we started very easy. So the alphabet and greetings, and then we start slowly start learning the grammar. So let's open this, open the lesson, which is called to be. And here's one thing I want to tell, that when we created these lessons, the lessons of this course, we tried to explain the Kazakh grammar, comparing it with English. So it will be easy for you, if we would teach you how we would learn it in our school, that would be more difficult for you. Okay, so as I said earlier, our lessons here, if you can see, this lesson, this lesson is about 25 minutes and 19 seconds. And let's imagine that you have watched this video, this lesson, and then you want to go to specific parts of this lesson just to practice or to see some grammars. And here in the description of the video, I have put the timestamp. Unfortunately, they are not linked. But if you want to go to dialogue, like here is the time, 20 minutes and 6 seconds. So we will click here. Okay. And here you can see the dialogue. Okay, let me mute that video. And here we have the dialogue. And in Kazakh language, the Kazakh language grammar is about endings. So it's not like you already know that it's not like English. We don't have articles, but we have endings. So every pronoun has different endings, and we have conjugated all these examples with different pronouns. Okay, let's see one spreadsheet here. Okay, let me make it clearly. Okay, so just to make sure that you can see them well. So here you see that to make a sentence with the verb to be, and also sentence as positive. So here we have endings and different examples with them. Okay, now you can see them clearly. Okay, now let me go to here. Let me go to the chat. Okay. So let's read some of your messages. Okay, so Amy says, I want to be able to speak and understand Kazakh because I would like to visit Kazakhstan. Also, I want to understand Kazakh news, literature, interviews, and documentaries. Of course, Kazakh Dimash. Of course, Dimash songs. Oh, great. Great. Okay, let's continue the tour of our course. So after to be, we learn numbers and the usage of the verb have, has, and the main grammar, which is verb tenses, present simple, present continuous, past simple, future simple, and also in Kazakh language, as I mentioned earlier, we work with endings. So those endings we have 7 cases, and 6 of them have endings. So we covered all of them in our course, which is dative case, instrumental case, genitive case, locative case, and accusative case. And also in our lesson, you can, in the course, you can learn how to introduce yourself, and also how to how to describe your typical day. So let's open this video, and also you can see the timestamp in the description. Okay, here. Okay, here here you can learn how to make sentence in positive, and we will teach you how to change this sentence to another. And we also colored every part of the sentence so you can understand what this word means. Aditya, which means usually, and in the morning, tangirting. Okay, now let's go back to one lesson. I want to show you that so in this course you can learn different types of tenses, and also there is one specific video for comparing them, so to see how to distinguish them from each other. Okay, so here, let me put the quality a little bit higher so you can see them clearly. So here there is a verb to dance, and we are conjugating them with different tenses: present simple, present continuous, past simple, and also make them positive, negative, question. And also in most of our lessons at the end there are homeworks, and after that, so here for example of homework of this lesson, here we give you homework, and after homework there is also an answer of this homework. Okay, also there is one thing I want to mention, that there was, let's wait a little bit, maybe it will appear in the next lessons, but at the below of every lesson there is a comment section. You can leave your question. So, and every week I will go live on my YouTube channel, Kazakh Language with Zhannur, and I will answer to all your questions. And those questions with answers will be posted on our closed Facebook group, Kazakh Language with Zhannur. Okay, this page is loading and it takes a little bit of time, but once you get the course, you will see here is a comment section. Okay, now let's go to the chat and see. Okay, people, Sunil, what is the website? I will type here the address of our website. So it's Kazakh Language .kz. Kazakh Language .kz. You can go and visit our website. Okay, let's read some comments. Yeah, seems your country card is not accepted, unfortunately, says Rick. Hello, Rick. So if you have any problem with the payment, please message to this email, and I will be very happy to help you. So here, okay, now I'm really thankful to all of you who joined to this live stream. So now I want to give you the 15% discount. So the actual price, okay, let me show you the website. Okay. So the actual price of the course is 98 USD dollars, but with the 15% you will get it for 83.3 USD dollars. And let me write down the promo code for you. Here, the promo code is the release 1. Okay, I will write down the promo code here. Release 1. Okay, let me write down the word promo code. So with this promo code, you can get 15% discount for the course. Okay, it's time to go back to work now. Sorry, I need to leave now. I will check your blog in this evening. Says Doris. Okay, yes, good luck. Have a nice day. Good luck with your work. Okay, now let's read some of the messages on our chat. Marisol Real. Hello from Mexico. I love your language because of Dimash and Alisher Karimov. I'd like to visit your beautiful country and especially in Almaty. Yeah, good. So if you have any questions about the course, please leave them here on the chat. Now I will answer your questions. Amy says, I think the lag time here on loading has to do with live streaming through YouTube. I have had no problems loading sample lessons at your website. Yes, because I am also working with the program to organize this live stream. It takes a lot of energy. That's why my website is loading a little bit slowly. Okay, till you'll start to ask questions. Let me also read the reasons why you are learning the Kazakh language. Emmanuel says, Emmanuel Turner. Yes, my father is a Dimash fan. I want to take him to see a Dimash concert. I will go to see my Q-pop singers too. Good, great. Okay, so yes, if you have any problems, actually, you said that some of you are having problem with the payment. Actually, I also had a PayPal, but for some reason I took off the PayPal because some people have PayPal, some people don't. So I left only the option so people can pay it with the card. So our live stream is coming to the end. So I would like to ask you, please, if you have any questions about the course, please leave them here. Rick Noel says this concept of adding ending suffix to modify meaning is called agglutination, concept common to Turkic languages. Yeah, thank you, Rick. Okay, yeah, my Singapore card and my New Zealand card did not work. Okay, so looks like we will I will also add the option pay with PayPal. Okay, if you are having these problems. So looks like you don't have any questions. Then we can end this live stream. So yeah, feel free message Yeah, feel free message me on my also Facebook. I have Facebook. You can message me on Messenger, and if you have any problem with the payment, okay? So here, Zhannur, Жұлдызхан. Okay, so there's one thing I want to tell you about the course, that once you get the access to the course, every week I will go live on my YouTube channel Kazakh Language with Zhannur, and I will answer to all your questions. And so the question and with answers will be posted on our closed Facebook group Kazakh Language with Zhannur, in case you missed the live stream. Okay. Also, are you able to take payment through American Express card or through direct bank debit? Actually, the payment section that you can pay with card also should work with American Express, Visa, and also MasterCard. I hope I can read your name properly. Angly, Lonely, thank you for teaching us. Heart, oh, thank you very much. My Zhannur is a great teacher. 98 for this course is really good price. Yeah, thank you, Mai. Okay, you provide a playlist Kazakh language properly. Okay, so thank you very much for taking your time and coming, watching, participating in my live stream. I'm really grateful. So we see each other on our next